Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a Miele. It's got a number. Let's find it. It's a Miele Novotronic. There we go. W1613. Found it on the street today, not an hour ago. Went out in the car to pick it up. You don't often see one of these left out. Miele W1613, but the front is a bit loose. Something's not right, so I'll take it home. It's been kicked. Fact. Let's just do that while I'm here. Full of snots. Bit of money. Tilt it up there. It's a bit black in there, but not too bad. 20p, eh? Shame that's been kicked. The door was locked on it, so I got it home, energized it. It was trying to do a main wash, I think. I could hear the inlet valve making noise. And then it flashed up with an F63 error. Not sure what that means. The plastic down here is cracked on that little door. That's not the end of the world. This screw was loose. And in here, it's not live, it's plugged out. When I lift this fellow up, I've replaced it now, but that screw, it's still loose. It needs something in there to get a better grip. That screw was absent, so the front was flapping around a bit. Now I put the screw from here over here, and I haven't found a large enough self-tapper yet to take that. So I'm wondering if I put a clip underneath and tap through to the clip, that might grip it. Might just work. It's a bit musty inside, but that's just, you know, a bit of mold and a door that was closed. I wanted to just talk about it a little bit. That's a metal hinge, right? Let's find a year code on it if we can. Is that 4107? Is that a year code? Maybe. 4107 puts it at what? 7. It's 25 now, 18 years old. That's just kind of unbelievable. I don't see a number on that. Sometimes you can just find a number on a piece of paper or something. 08, Fertigungsdatum. You see that? 40308. 08 makes it 17, so it's quite like it's an old machine, really. But look, you've already spotted it. Cast iron, stainless steel, aluminium pulley, cast iron spider on the back. This is probably one of the most recent steelies that I've seen, which makes it rare, maybe worth repairing. F63 is a water control pump something error, which maybe is just came up because it wasn't getting any water in. That could be the issue, but I'm gonna have to plug it in and test it, I think. So there's the screw I put in. Will that just come out? What do you think? There's a lot of carbon dust up here. I can get this out with my finger just about. So this is a kind of a fatter screw, but it doesn't have thread up at the top near the head. So if I can slide this fellow in here somehow, it might get a grip on it. So I'll just sneak this in here. That's it. That should get a grip on something now if I drive something in it. Let's try this bigger one. Set up with a bit of gap there, so just slacken it. Hold it in with my knee. Try it again. It's not bad actually as a repair goes. This side, put this one back in. You can see that rubber seal is not really doing its job. Right, I'll flip that down. We'll have a go at it. So, 18-year-old Miele. Power on. What do we get? Nothing yet. Right. Cottons. Do I want cottons? Is there something clattering over there? There is water on. It's this guy here, look. There's a motor in there turning. Wonder what it's doing. Something to do with letting the water into the right place. Minimum iron. Spin. 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 8 minutes. Spin. Drain. There's no water in it. So we better put some in, maybe. The front broke off the soap drawer and that could have been me. Let's get some water in it. Rinse out any crud that's in it. It's turning wonderfully silently. That's a good sign. We're getting no error codes, although this fella does seem to be going a bit nuts. Whoa, sounds a bit crunchy. I might know there's nothing in there. Not sure why this guy keeps turning. It says no user serviceable parts, but I'm not really a user. 7 minutes. Oh, it's got an error. Fault F63. God, it's loud as it can be. Sounds like an alarm clock. Technical fault F63. That was what was going on before. But it sounds like it's still pumping. That guy stopped turning. There we go. Oh, there's gooey snots coming out of there. Is it turning? No, it's not turning anymore. That is one bloody loud alarm. I've just turned it off there. I'm gonna try turning it on again in a minute. Cottons. I don't really want cottons. See, it's doing this again, whatever this is. What happens if I disconnect it? Now it can't work at all. Just leave it there. 1300 spin speed. 13's good and fast. It's not a 14, it's not a 16. Get some more water in it and then we let it go again. It might not work at all with that thing missing. Kind of want to do a rinse, but I don't really see a rinse. I've only got a spin, which is a bit weird. Normally they have a rinse cycle. Oh, it's gone off again. Oh! We're getting some snots out of. Where's that beeping? There it is. Little sender there, just echoing through the whole machine. I put that water in clean. Look at that. That's gross. It is pumping. There's a door open. Put it on. Yeah, it started. The minute it starts, it's doing this thing. Look. Something in there. I might just take it all apart. It might just want cleaning. A lot of times these things do. Let's just go with automatic. What does that do? Oh, it doesn't have a light for automatic. Automatic light's gone. Start. Now, will it take in water for automatic? Pumping. Creaking away. This little red cog just wants to turn. If you know what that unit is, actually I could probably look that up. 316-90016.05. Miele number 6436822, 5 volt. And it seems to be onward connected to the water valve, which is a bit weird. So if that wire is there, yeah, it's not letting water in. It's some kind of an inlet valve thing, and that was what the issue was saying. If we're not getting water in, we're not going to go anywhere. Might have to have that apart. It's going to start beeping at me in a second, I can tell. Yep, whoa, there it is, and fault and pumping out again. Right. Oh, I don't like that. You've got the white bits of doom in there. Aluminium rot. Not a good sign. Oh, that noise is too loud for my ears. Door open. Off. Right. Miele, what number were you? Novotronic 1613. 2008. Is that what I said? 17 years old. Hardly worth fixing. But that doesn't stop me. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, become a member, look at my dirty hands. You know, follow, any of those words. Questions or comments, leave them below. And thanks for watching. See you later. If you know what's wrong with it, tell me in the comments. See you later.